For the next hour, Canary Wharf here in London is the stunning backdrop for the most exciting new event in golf. Tonight's show features an incredible lineup of golfing galacticos, including the reigning Olympic champion and host of this week's British Masters, Justin Rose, four-time European Tour winner Matt Wallace, and the captain of the victorious European Ryder Cup team, Mr. Bjørn. Welcome to the Hero Challenge! Welcome to the Hero Challenge! Over the next hour, 6 of the biggest stars in world golf are going to be going head-to-head in a unique knockout competition where points mean prizes. The players have been split into 2 groups based on their world rankings. The top 2 point scorers from each group go through to the semis, and the winners of the semis are going to battle it out to be crowned our champion. So wherever you're watching around the world, or even if you're watching on Twitter, sit back and enjoy. All right, let's meet the players in Group 1. London, make some noise for 3 British Masters, Matt Wallace, Beef Johnson and Justin Rose! Justin, we'll start with you, and I think it's pretty obvious where we're going to start with. We're going to start with the Ryder Cup. First of all, congratulations to you and the team.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Let's hear it. Yeah.
It looked incredible on TV, but was it just as incredible actually playing in it?
It was absolutely incredible. I think...
keep going.
You know, I felt like the atmosphere this time around was absolutely unbelievable. Obviously, we kind of kept you guys, well, there was enough good putts, good shots, good chips to keep you guys singing, and that made such a difference to us, so thank you.
But also, you've had a phenomenal year. Let's not forget that. You've won the Ryder Cup, obviously, with the European team, won the FedEx Cup, which is phenomenal, and you became world #1. What a year!
Yeah, it all kind of came together there in about a month, so it's been unbelievable. I think if I look back at January through till now, it's all been based on how consistently I've played, and yeah, the world #1 is a byproduct of all the good golf, but I managed to stay there for 2 weeks. So
it's better than no weeks,
yeah,
Justin, let's be honest.
It's better than no weeks, but yeah, it's something that you do get a taste for, so it'd be nice to play well in the next few weeks and get that back.
Is there anything that's been one key to your success? Is there anything you can pinpoint this year's success on?
I think putting. I've probably putted better this year than I've ever putted in my career before, so that has to be it, if I'm to pick one thing.
Drive for sure, putt for door. And you've won a lot of that, my friend. Congratulations. Matt, welcome. How are you feeling?
Great. Yeah, it's great to be here. Hi, guys.
Matt, you've had a great year as well. What's been the key to your success this year?
Putting. Yeah. No. You know, just being out here, getting to know a lot of the guys, and what drives them on is the winning, and it's certainly what it does to me as well. And to be able to come and do this is another driver for us. This is amazing.
These events are pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you took part in the Golf Sixes
yeah.
as well, which was also a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was, and you were there as well.
I was there indeed, and it's not these kind of events where the crowd can really get involved. You know, like the Ryder Cup, it's a real spectator sport now.
Of course, and we're in the centre of town. I only live about 30 minutes away from here, and I mean, I'm sure I've had a beer around here somewhere as well. So this is fantastic, and it's great to be here.
All right, well, good luck, Beef Johnson, everyone. Love that reaction, Andrew. Love it. Every time I hear it, it's phenomenal. Do you ever get bored of that? I doubt it.
No, not at all. I absolutely love it, and it means the world to me. So cheers.
Now, Beef, you played in the first ever Hero Challenge way back when it was at the Grove, when Luke Donald was the host of the event. It's pretty special, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, yeah. When we first got the opportunity to do it, and then no one really knew what it was quite about and stuff, and that the excitement building around it, and going in and lining up. I think I played against Shane in the first round and stuff, and it was great fun. And we said we want to do another one, and that everyone said that. All the players said we want to go again, do it again.
Well, I've got to tell you, gentlemen, we've been here for 3 days now, and this is probably the hardest Hero Challenge we've ever had. Not only is the green on a floating pontoon, which moves, there's 3 yards of slack in the ropes that are holding it down, it's also the tee box moves as well. So good luck. Good luck. Let's hear it for Matt Wallace, Beef Johnson, and Justin Rose. This is how round 1 is going to work. You've each got 6 balls to hit at the red and black target behind us. It's approximately 100 yards away. You'll score up to 50 points depending on where the ball finishes up. But if you miss the targets, unfortunately, you score nil point, nothing, 0. And we're going to be able to track your shots because we have Top Tracer. So Beef, you're up first. Grab your club. Matt and Justin, you come with me. Good luck, Andrew. Let's get behind him, ladies and gentlemen. Keep going. Sausage! That looks nice. Oh! Unlucky, Beef. Well done, Beef. You've got 3 left. Oh! You've broken the pontoon, Andrew! Oh, he's going to start sinking. Oh! Oh! Last ball. Well done, Andrew. It's always tough. Coming out first, you scored 20 points. 20 points. Without giving your fellow competitors any tips, just talk us through it.
I thought he had a lot of good shots there. I mean, you're just trying to get it landed on the front edge. It's taking a big first bounce. It's tricky.
It really is. 20 points scored. All right, next up, it's Matt Wallace.
All right.
Come on, Matt.
Come on. Distance, here we go.
Come on, Matt. Dial it in.
We're dialed in now.
There it is. There it is. Yep.
Stay there.
It's coming back. 5 points, well done.
5. Oh, goodness.
Oh, is it going to hold? Oh! 2 left. You've got to beat or equal 20, Matt.
Oh, no.
Another one.
Oh, no.
Must be the wind. Must be the wind.
I think I'm on a like slow.
It's your
Here we
last
go.
one. Oh! 5 points, Matt.
I know. Just throw me over the edge. Just throw me over.
No. Don't do that. Please don't do that just yet, because we don't know how Justin's going to do.
Yeah,
It's tough though, isn't it?
Oh, it's hard.
It really is
I
hard.
mean, I hit it straight before and then I'm hitting it left. So.
No, you hit it left, Matt.
Yeah,
Let's
I
be
hit it
honest.
left.
All right, next up, Justin Rose.
Thank you. Alive and good? All right. I like the heartbeat.
Oh, that looks sweet. Oh, it's coming back. Go on. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. Oh, Rosie. Nice. Wow.
So,
Awesome. All right, you got 5 left. Let's see if we can repeat that. Another one! Woo! Another 15 points. It's come back.
Oh, dear.
You got 2 left. You got 85 points, Justin. Oh, it just rolled off.
all right, last one. Come on. Keep singing.
It held on that. 90 points.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, mate.
Thank you, buddy. I don't know how those first 4 stayed on.
Justin. Sending shockwaves through your fellow golfers. Talk us through that, please. 90 points scored, pretty phenomenal. We said how tough it was, but you absolutely smashed it right up.
I peaked.
Don't say that. That was a phenomenal performance. Congratulations,
Yeah,
Justin.
was-
Well done.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Beef Johnson, Matt Wallace, and Justin Rose. So Beef and Justin are through to the semis, but who's going to join them from Group 2? We'll find out in just a few minutes' time. Welcome back to the Hero Challenge live from Canary Wharf here in London. Raise your voice and everyone claps. We've already seen a battle royale in Group 1 with Beef Johnson and Justin Rose securing their place in the semi-finals. Time now to meet the players in Group 2 who are all hoping to join them. Ladies and gents, let's hear it for Thomas Bjørn, Paul Dunne and Thorbjørn Olesen! All right, congratulations, Captain.
Thank you.
Take a bow, my friend, here in the heart of London's business district. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain of the European Ryder Cup team. I'm so excited, I'm so excited. First of all, congratulations. I guess everyone that you walk past has congratulated you on that stunning victory against the Americans. Have you recovered yet?
No, absolutely not. No, it's been a hectic few days, but brilliant. It's best week of my life. It was fun. 12 absolutely amazing guys, and you know they showed up with a determination to do a job. So it was easy to captain them, but it was a fantastic thing to be a part of.
After that first session on Friday morning, were you a little bit nervous, or did you have full confidence in your team? Thorbjørn's laughing, so he knows something.
No, I never really felt nervous. I felt like we had a great team and we had a job to do, and I kind of looked at all the time at what was right in front of me and not what had happened and what people were saying. It was always about what was right in front of us, and you know that group on Friday afternoon came out and did a fantastic job, and it was pretty good fun from there.
And it was pretty spectacular watching it as well. It was awesome. The atmosphere really, really did bleed out of the television screen. So congratulations on achieving that. But at what point on either Saturday or Sunday did you kind of start to relax and think, you know what, we've got this?
No, I never started to relax, to be honest. You know, you get moments through the whole thing where you think, oh, this is going the right way, and then somebody misses a putt and you think, oh, it can still go wrong. So it was never really till Phil did us a favour and hit it in the water on 16. That was probably the moment where I thought, yeah, that's it.
There was a slight ripple then from over there when you mentioned that Phil hit it in the water.
Well, I'm going to hit it in the water.
Well, let's not talk about water. I was going to say, Paul, welcome to the Hero Challenge here in Canary Wharf. How are you feeling? Because we've seen from, well, everyone except Justin, it's pretty difficult.
Yeah, I mean, I hit a couple of practice shots, and it was everyone was finding it hard to hit the green, and Justin, I think, managed to, you know, trick us all. He hit a few in the water to start, and then hit everyone on the green. So I'm glad I wasn't in his group.
Now, you were victorious in the Golf Sixes earlier on in the year. These formats, these short form formats of golf, are pretty cool, right? You know, it gets the audience involved.
Yeah, I mean, it appeals to people to tune in for less time, and I think that's the way golf is going. So, if you know, the more audiences we can attract, the better.
And also, you're the current British Masters champion, victorious last year up at Close House in the Great North East. Feeling confident this week?
Yeah, feeling good. Played the course for the first time today. You know, it's in really, really good shape. So I'm looking forward to, you know, hopefully bringing back some good feels from last year. All
right, good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, Thorbjørn Olesen. Let's talk about you absolutely dispatching Jordan Spieth, shall we? Awesome. Yes. Awesome. When you were stood on the first tee on Sunday, what was going through your head? What were you thinking?
Well, just to win, just to go out, play for myself, and try to get a point for Europe.
Because Jordan's a real tough competitor, as we saw on Friday and Saturday. Was there any chat between you two walking down the fairways, any banter, anything like that?
No, not really, no. No, we chatted after. Jordan is a really nice guy. But yeah, when you get on the course, you just want to beat each other and win a point.
And you did! Convincingly! Congratulations! All right, let's hear it for Thorbjørn Olesen, Paul Dunne and Thomas Bjørn. So Thomas, you're up first, so you grab your club, and Thorbjørn and Paul, you come with me. Good luck!
It's been a while, Liz. Hey! Like that.
He bounced off the front, Thomas, no points. Unlucky. There you go. Oh!
Hey,
You got 3 left.
I got to
Thomas.
beat Matt Wallace. Oh. 4 left.
Oh! So close. That's 3, maybe 4 you've had hit and bounce off. Last ball, Thomas. There you go. Yeah! 20 points. Save the best till last. Well done, Captain. All right, Paul, come on forward. It's your turn, my friend. Ladies and gentlemen, Paul Dunne. Lovely. Oh, that looked nice. No points. Oh! Oh! Yes! 25 points. Well done, Paul. You got 4 left. Oh, no points. That went for a swim. Oh! Bounced into the water, still on 25 points. 2 balls left. Unlucky, 25 points so far. Last one. Yes, it stayed. You got 30 points. Well done, Paul. Thank you very much. Awesome. All right, Thorbjørn, come on. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Thunder Bear. You knew it was coming.
I knew it, yeah.
25 or more to get you into the semi-final. No points, short with the first ball. Oh! No points for the second ball, but you did, like Beef Johnston, damage the pontoon. Put a little bit more fizz on that one. Oh! And the drink. Oh! 2 balls left. Yes! Come back! It's coming! Come on! Bullseye! Nice! Yes! Well done. You got 1 ball left.
Really?
You may as well take it, my friend. It's up there. Oh, bounced off. Well done. Come on in.
Okay, that. Not okay.
You got 50 points. Yes, well done. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Thorbjørn Olesen, Paul Dunne and Thomas Bjørn. So we now have the lineups of the two semi-finals. First up, it's Justin Rose versus Paul Dunne. Then it's Thorbjørn Olesen versus Beef Johnston. That'll be a good one. All right, join us in a couple of minutes for both of those mouth-watering clashes. We'll see you on the other side of this lot. Welcome back to the Hero Challenge. In a few moments' time, it's the semi-finals, but before that, we have to have another chat with Captain Fantastic of the European Ryder Cup team. Thomas Bjørn, everyone! There it is.
Yeah.
Oh. How does it feel, Thomas, being a victorious European Ryder Cup captain, holding the actual trophy, like a baby?
Yeah, it's pretty good, to be honest. It's a dream come true. You know, when you play in these teams and you do it as a player, it's great. But when you go in as a captain, that's the only thing you're thinking about, winning it. You know, when you go in as a player, you're going in to play and try and do your best. As a captain, it's all about holding the trophy on Sunday. And when they put that into my hands, it was pretty special. It was pretty special for all the players in the team, but everybody that's the European Tour and everybody that supports us. It's nice for it to be back over here.
Because pre-tournament, there was a lot of chat about the Americans having a really strong and possibly dominant team, but that all changed on Friday afternoon.
Yeah, but it's down to 12 guys that walked into a team room on Monday night and they had a goal, they had a mission together. They only had to look at each other and it was easy for me to stand there and see they wanted to do this. And that's a great start for a good team when they really set out to do something spectacular. And it was an easy week. They worked well together and they did a fantastic job on the golf course. And that's, you know, it'll go down as one of the best European teams for that reason, because of what those 12 did together.
And personally, how high up on the list of your achievements is this?
Oh, it doesn't get any better for me than this. This was special.
And the tattoo?
Yeah, that's
Is it going to happen?
It's
Thomas?
coming.
It's coming, is it?
I promised them I would do it, so it's coming.
Who's going to design that? Have you designed that yourself?
Well, certainly none of them are going to design it, I can tell you that. It'd be way too big.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, one more time, put your hands together for Thomas Bjørn. Congratulations, Thomas. Huge achievement. Let's have a quick chat with Matt Wallace. Matt, how are you feeling going into this British Masters?
Well, I feel good. Nobody's ever won the Masters Par 3 before winning the tournament, so hopefully it's a good omen.
Well, it's tough though, isn't it?
It is hard, yeah. It's hard.
Because, like I said at the beginning of the show, this is the trickiest and toughest Hero Challenge that we've ever done, because it's not on an actual green, it's on a floating pontoon, and this is the smallest target that we've had to date. I'm not making excuses for you, Matt.
Thanks,
you know what I mean? I'm just saying it's blooming difficult. Who do you think in these semi-finals is going to come out victorious?
Well, Rosie's shown he's got some sort of form going into this, so that was quite impressive.
But Paul did say that he's flying high and confident going into this week's British Masters, sponsored by Sky Sports.
There you go.
And then we've got Thunderbird versus Beef.
Yeah, that's a great game. They're both very good wedge players, so expect fireworks.
Look forward to that. All right, thank you very much. Cheers, Matt. Appreciate that. Best of luck in the British Masters.
Thank you very much.
We're going to come and watch.
Come. Yeah,
We've got a
please.
mutual friend. Should we say hello to him?
Hello, Dan.
Hi, Dan. There you go. Thank you very much. Cheers. Give him a big round of applause. Matt Wallace.
Thank you.
All right, it's time for the first semi-final. Please welcome back on stage Justin Rose versus Paul Dunne. Here we go. First semi-final. He's a blooming tough competitor, isn't he?
Yeah, I'm used to watching him play the last few weeks, so it's nice to be up here having a go myself.
And he said he's confident going into the British Masters, Justin, hosted by your good self.
Defending champion, isn't he?
He is.
Yeah, he should. He well should be.
Well, the wind has died down, so that might make it a little bit more easy. Gentlemen, this is the first of the two semi-finals. Obviously, you've each got 6 shots, but this time we're going to alternate shots.
Okay, I like it.
Which means you get the opportunity to put some real pressure on your opponent. Who wants to go first? Justin, you pick.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah, do rock, paper, scissors. Oh, Paul. Rock blunts, scissors. All right, Paul's going to go first. Good luck, Paul. Target, but as we've seen previously, bounced off. All right, Justin, you're up.
All right.
He's got it on a string tonight, Justin Rose. Unlucky. 0-0. Paul Dunne. Come on, Paul. Put some points on the board. Oh. Oh, looking nice, looking nice. Oh, short. Thought that looked like it looked like it had legs, that one, Paul.
A little bit better than that, but...
Oh, I love it. The City boys are getting a bit rowdy. Yes. Oh, did that stay on?
Nope.
No, it rolled off into the drink. Come on, Paul, put a marker down, please. That looks good. Oh!
Tell you what,
change club here.
high scoring game.
No points scored.
Like,
Come on, Justin. It's your third shot.
Yeah.
Come on.
Let's get some points on the board. Looking nice. Looking nice. Oh! Off the back. Come on.
You said the wind died down. I'm listening to you.
I thought the wind had died down, I'll be honest with you. It must be the tide. That's what it is. It's the tide. It's bringing the pontoon closer. But when Paul's on, it pushes the pontoon away. Oh, that looks nice. It's got to be good. Yes. No! Stay! Stay!
All right.
10 points. We have some points on the board. Thank you, Paul. Woo! All right, come on, Justin. Nice contact. Come on. Yes. Spin back. No! Off the back again, Justin. Woo!
You got to hit that front edge.
You've got 2 shots left. Come on, Paul. Currently in the lead. Only one of our 2 semi-finalists so far to have a ball stick on the floating green. Is this the second? Is this the second? No! You should have had an extra shredded wheat this morning, Paul. Come on, Justin.
Somewhere between us would be pretty good.
Yeah. Again!
It's like picture same shot 3 times in a row.
Yeah, crazy. Bounced off. All right, this is your final ball. Paul. Come on. Yes. Oh! Nice! Well done. Awesome. Come on, Justin, final ball. Oh! Come back!
Oh! Spin! Come on!
Oh! All right, come on in, Paul, come in.
Well done, buddy.
So the scores look like this. Paul, you scored 30 points. Justin, you scored 15 points, which means, Paul, you're through to the final. Congratulations.
Well done, mate.
Commiserations, Justin.
Yeah, thanks, bud. Cheers.
Unlucky. Lovely to have you with us, the host of this week's British Masters. So let's welcome our second pair of semi-finalists. Please welcome Thorbjørn Olesen and Beef Johnston. Come on in. All right, here we go. Gentlemen, we're going to let the action continue. Thorbjørn, you won the second group, which means you're going to go first. Or you can choose whether you want to go first or second.
I'll go second then.
He's going to go second, Beef.
Yeah.
He's asking you to step up to the marker, my friend. I like this. I like it. All right. In your own time, good luck. Remember, we're going to alternate shot, like we saw with Justin and Paul.
I think that's mine.
Beef to step up first. No, bounced off. Whoa, easy, Tiger. Don't set him up for it.
Nearly.
Yes. Yes, well done. Oh! Oh, that was going in the hole, unfortunately.
There's a ball in the way.
Well done. 15 points. No points. That missed. It was short. Unlucky. You've had 2 goals each.
Yeah.
Yes, it stayed. No, it's rolled off. Unlucky, Beef.
Oh.
Unlucky.
The cameraman out.
Almost hit the cameraman on the rear tower. Thorbjørn, you got 15 points. Beef has yet to score. Oh, looking good. It's looking good. It's up there. It stayed there. Yes! Nice. Well done, Beef. 15. It's even Stevens. 15 points apiece. Oh, that rolled off. Unlucky. Unlucky, Beef. No. Oh, Andrew, you knew straight away that was going left. Straight away. All right, this is your penultimate ball. 15 apiece. Oh, is it going to come in? No, it's got its tanga brief on and it's gone for a swim. Score to win. It's up there. Is it going to stay there? Is it going to stay there? Yeah! There you go. It's 30 points to Andrew Beef Johnson. Right. Thunder Bear. Thorbjørn Olesen, here we go. 15 for a tie. 15 or more for victory. There we go. Oh! Unlucky. Unlucky. Congratulations, Beef. Come on in. Oh, that was tense. That was a tough battle, Beef. We like that.
Yeah, that was tricky. Yeah, so swung a bit, didn't it, man?
It really did, all the way to the very, very end. So, Thorbjørn, you scored 15, and Andrew, you scored 30 points, which means you're through to the final. Give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The Beef! So it's Paul Dunne against Beef Johnson in the final of the Hero Challenge, live from Canary Wharf here in London. We'll see you in a few minutes' time. Welcome back to the Hero Challenge. We are live all the way from Canary Wharf in London. It's time for tonight's final, the final. So please put your hands together for Paul Dunne and Beef Johnson! Come on in, fellas. This is exciting. Congratulations on making it to the final, Beef and Paul. The format for the final is exactly the same as previous. We're going to alternate shots. However, with your last ball, it's going to count, ladies and gentlemen, as double. Which means it's all to play for all the way through to the very, very end. So good luck to you both. Paul, because you're the highest ranked player, you're going to go first. Is that all right?
Sounds good.
All right, sounds good. All right, Paul, in your own time, good luck. Beef, you come with me. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our first finalist, Paul Dunne! Just bounced off that, Paul, unlucky. Come on, Beef, let's hear it for Beef Johnson, everyone. He's got his brand new trainers on just for tonight. Brand new pair of golf shoes.
Yeah.
Oh, unlucky. All right, come on, Paul. We've done several Hero Challenges and we've done the Golf Sixes as well, and this is the first time that I've ever seen a member of the audience with a harmonica, ladies and gentlemen. Quality. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Yes. Oh, 5 points. It stayed on. Well done, Paul. 5 points.
Just.
Your second shot, Beef. Hold. Is it going to hold? It's on there. Oh, it bounced off the back. Come on, Paul. Still in the lead, Paul. Third shot. Oh, nice. Bang on line. Come on. Oh! Short right. Come on, Andrew. Come on, Canary Wharf. Let's get behind Andrew Beef Johnston. Oh. Oh, a little bit too big. Just bounced off the back. Paul still in the lead with 5 points. You both had 3 shots. You got 3 shots remaining. Paul, you scored 5 points. Beef, you scored nothing. Oh, a little bit left. Ooh, hold it a little bit. Come on, Beef. See if you can tie it up with your 4th ball. Short, little bit short. Come on, Paul.
Can't get a distance right.
2 balls remaining. Still got the edge, Paul. Just it's only 5 points between yourself and the big man. Let's see if you can put the pressure on with another score here. Get the ball on the target. It's away. It's left. It's wet. Oh, wet through that. Come on, Beef. Come on, Beef. Looks nice. Looks nice. Oh! Oh! Yes! 20 points, Andrew. Well done. Taken the lead. 15-point gap. Paul, remember this shot counts double. The last ball in the final counts double. Got 20 to beat. Oh, it's up there. Double money ball. Oh, it's short! It's short. Go on, Beef, you may as well take it. Oh, unlucky, Paul. Remember, Beef, this counts double. To rub salt into the wound. Oh, unlucky. Well done, congratulations, Beef. Paul, come in. Guys, come on in. Come on in. So that means the winner of the Hero Challenge is Beef Johnston, everyone. So to present the trophy, please welcome onto the stage the Chairman, MD and CEO of the Hero Multicorp. Please welcome Mr. Pawan Munjal. Well done, Beef. Another trophy for the mantelpiece. Congratulations indeed. All right, one last time, let's hear it for the winner of the Hero Challenge, Beef Johnston. Yes. All right, that's it for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck, Justin. Good luck in the British Masters. Of course, you're the host. It's going to be a fantastic event, sponsored, of course, by Sky Sports. Can't wait for that. Looking forward to the Pro-Am tomorrow as well, by the way.
Good luck to you, Vern.
Yeah, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Thomas, once again, congratulations. Captain Formidable. Give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for bringing the Ryder Cup back to Europe. You've all been fantastic. We really, really appreciate you attending. Thank you very much, Thorbjørn. Thank you very much, Matt. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Beef. Thank you, sir. And of course, thank you to you, Justin Rose. We'll see you at the third and final Hero Challenge of the year, which takes place in Dubai in just a few weeks' time. And don't forget, coverage of the British Masters, supported by Sky Sports, takes place on Thursday morning, of course. Let's not forget that. From all of us here in London, good night.
To watch another European Tour video, click here, and to subscribe, click here.